Hi everyone, today we're going to unbox a Skylander.
Hey, cool Star Wars t-shirt. Show everyone your Star Wars t-shirt. Awesome.
So, I'm going to choose Spyro.
Oh, awesome. Alright, so Spyro as it is.
So now we're going to start unboxing the Skylander.
Fortune the world over. Cool. Climbing ability? Oh, he looks like a mechanical octopusy kind of thing. With a hopping wrist action. What would you call him? What's he supposed to be? He's supposed to be like a spy boy that's also half like mechanical spider. Oh, okay, cool. Awesome.
Okay, so now we're off to play with him, so bye.
Bye.
It's gonna be epic.